This is Blue Rule Limited, an office like yours. It's typical lunchtime, and this bunch of five have gotten together to have their lunch. Geeta from Marketing Department. This is Anuj from the IT Department. Abhi, Anuj's intern. Mr. Sharma, the admin head. And Radha Advani, Marketing Manager and Geeta's boss.
मैडम कॉफी या चाय?
नहीं सुनील भैया, खाने के बाद प्लीज गेट आइसक्रीम फॉर ऑल ऑफ अस. So Anuj, tell us the inside news now. Are we getting new laptops?
मैम प्लीज चेक विद द राइट पर्सन. क्यों शर्मा सर, मिल रहे हैं ना नए लैपटॉप्स?
Geeta, this cough of yours has still not gone. Did you try the ginger tulsi concoction I had told you about?
Yes, Sharma ji.
Sharma ji, she has tried everything from the cough syrups to all possible home remedies on the internet. Nothing seems to be working.
Geeta ma'am, if you don't mind me asking, isn't your cough there for more than 2 weeks?
वाह वे, तेरा ये भी हिडन टैलेंट है.
No sir, but I had seen an ad on TV that said cough that lasts for more than 2 weeks could be a sign of TB.
Kuch bhi abhi. What are you saying? How can Geeta get TB?
Yeah, how can she?
Sir, anyone can get TB. It is an airborne disease. It is caused by a bacteria that spreads through air and infects the lungs.
But no one in my family has ever had TB. I think it's just a normal cough. It will go away.
Geeta, there is no harm in getting a test done. Let's go meet my doctor tomorrow.
What do you think Geeta should do? Should she go to meet the doctor? As they say, a stitch in time saves 9. Only if Geeta goes for screening will she know if she has TB or not. Because we tend to ignore symptoms like cough and fever as normal, and usually do not link this to TB. But early screening of TB and effective testing is an important way to ensure early treatment initiation and for a full cure.
Geeta, I'm going to write some medicines to ease your cough. Please get your chest x-ray and sputum test done, and if required, we will get other tests after I see these reports.
Thank you.
Geeta, the test confirmed that you have TB.
Oh God, what will I do now?
First thing you should know, Geeta, is that TB is curable. So there is no need to worry.
Relax, Geeta. He told you na, it is curable. But doctor, how did she get TB?
Before you know how she got it, let me explain a little bit about TB. TB or tuberculosis is a bacterial infection that spreads from one person to another. But not everyone who inhales the bacteria becomes sick with TB. But since it spreads through the air and is inhaled, TB bacteria settles first in the lungs. Most people with the disease have TB of the lungs, which is what you have, and it's called pulmonary TB. The TB bacteria can also spread internally to other parts of the body, causing extrapulmonary TB. When someone develops or is infected with bacteria that are resistant to normal TB medicines, it is called MDR or multi-drug resistant TB. The important thing for you to understand is that you will be completely cured. And you were smart because you came to me early. Believe me, a lot of patients don't do that. We were able to catch your disease early, and now we will give you first-line treatment. All you have to do is remember to take your medicines every day. And you have to promise to see me regularly.
Yes, doctor.
Doctor, for how long will she have to take her medicines?
She will have to take medicines for the next 6 months. And Geeta, you must take care of yourself.
Geeta has to take medicines for 6 months every day. Do you think Geeta will be able to complete her treatment? A disease like TB can bring Geeta's morale down, which could make her neglect her treatment. To get completely cured, Geeta will have to complete the course. She will need the support of her family, friends, and office colleagues. Counseling and social support play an important role in ensuring that a person with TB is able to beat the disease and return to a normal life at the earliest.
सुनील क्या हुआ?
Sir, feeling sad for Geeta madam.
Don't worry, Sunil. Her treatment has started. She will be fine soon.
मैडम जी, मैं सोच रहा था कि अगर गीता मैडम को हो सकता है तो हम जैसे लोग तो
अरे सुनील, TB is an airborne disease that can spread to anyone. It doesn't see who you are, but yes, there are several conditions that increase your risk for TB.
ओह अच्छा. According to this article, you are at increased risk of TB if your immunity is weak, like in case of young kids or old people, or if you are undernourished. If you live in very closed or crowded condition where ventilation isn't proper, if you have diabetes or HIV, or you are on steroid treatment, if you are a smoker or exposed to air pollutants, if you are in close proximity with someone who has TB but is not being treated for it. Oh,
Sunil, tell me, do you feel tired these days or feel weak?
no sir.
Do you not feel hungry?
Yes, I do.
Do you get fever or do you sweat at night?
No sir.
Have you been having persistent cough for last 2 weeks?
No sir, not at all.
Have you lost weight?
Kahan sir? Wife says go exercise, you are becoming fat.
Sunil seems to have understood. But do you think we can prevent TB? TB can be prevented, but prevention cannot be guaranteed. If we all ensure that we eat nutritious food, cover our mouth when coughing, and maintain hygienic living conditions, we can reduce our risk.
Why are we going to see Geeta? I mean, she has TB. If we meet her, won't we also get the infection?
Sir, don't worry. Geeta ma'am has already started her treatment. And once a person starts responding to treatment, there is no fear of infection.
And also, TB does not spread by touching or hugging, sharing food, drink or clothes. And it doesn't even spread from handling of bedding, toilet seats or other surfaces. Right, Abhi?
Hi everyone. So good to see you. This is my husband Akash.
Hello, everyone.
So, how are you feeling, Geeta? Hope you are taking your medicines on time.
Yes, he makes sure I take my medicine on time and he makes me eat a lot.
Of course, Geeta. Along with medicine, it is important that you take nutritious food.
And how is everything in office? I'm sorry I have not been able to.
Don't worry about office. Everything is fine. We are all taking care of your work. Once you feel better, come and join back.
Geeta is worried about her job. Did Radha do the right thing by asking her to join back once she feels better? Geeta has already started treatment, and once a person starts responding to treatment, there is little chance of infection. Once she is physically fit, she can join back. If on joining back, she is unable to fully execute her responsibilities, Radha, her boss, may consider phasing these in over weeks or months. All colleagues should also support Geeta to ensure that she takes her medicines when at work regularly.
Hello, Geeta madam. आप ठीक हो?
Yes, Sunil. Thank you.
Geeta, welcome back.
Thank you.
But why are you sitting here alone? Come join us for lunch.
But Radha, I have TB.
Oh, come on, Geeta. You know that once a person starts responding to a treatment, there is no fear of infection. And remember, you can work from home the days you don't feel up to it.
So, do you think Radha did the right thing by asking Geeta to eat lunch with her? Having TB must also be affecting Geeta's emotional well-being. Everyone in the company needs to be supportive and ensure that Geeta does not feel lonely or is treated differently. Along with medicines, love and support of family, friends, and colleagues will go a long way in fighting TB.